Good morning. Well, bright morning, but it is finally the morning of the car show. So late last night, we pretty much hit everything on the interior. We completely hand cleaned, detailed anything that was missing pieces like the speaker covers. They are now fixed. And another thing we did was we gave a great deal of detailing to the engine bay, added a few little covers, chrome them up, clean them up. It was looking nice. So all that's really left to do today is wash the car, give it a quick ceramic coat.
Smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. Fuck with the fam, you a dead man. Jesus, peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah, we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keeping the real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't trying to be dependent. I need money, never ending. I'm talking 100%. I need the owner, you rent it.
Whoa. Step in the spotty and watch how they panic. Yeah, we the duo, you know we dynamic. When we outside, we be stopping the traffic. Breaking their necks, them they upset. How them boys doing more when they got less? How they on this and how they on that? How they got this and
All right, so a quick wash and speed shine later. Here's the results. It is shiny. I don't think I've seen it this shiny since we got it. I think we are about ready to wrap things up, get dressed, head out, and let's take the car to the show.
this love's hitting me. Baby Jesus, talk to me. Photo smoking on my weed. Please don't know that I can see. All this love is hitting me. Baby Jesus, talk to me. Photo smoking on my weed. Please don't know that I can see. Please don't know that I can see. Please don't know.
So far the car show is going great. Judging should be over about now. A few of the cars are starting to leave out, but I mean, so far it's a pretty good turnout.
So many cute cars. So many.
So what place you gonna take? Place you gonna take?
Second to last.
Second to last. I like that. That's a good odds to go on. I hit the swag jackpot at the car show. RX-7 shirt, HKS flag, and a bunch of random decals to throw up on the toolbox. Well, all in all, I would say the car show was a huge success. I got a beautiful tan. I am red like a lobster.
So beautiful. I am not. I wore sunscreen.
So we met a lot of people, had a lot of fun, some good connections. The car was well loved, and now we are heading home to get something to eat. I look like crap. Look at me. I'm so red.
I have aloe at home. We will fix you right up.
So hopefully everybody enjoyed the shots taken from the show. I know we certainly did. And
so much fun.
Drop a comment, like, subscribe. Until then, see you at the next one.
I'm not in the palace.